Hello boys and girls, today I have got a very funny toy. Her name is Izzy. Look at me. To the left, to the right, up and down. I would like to present this toy for my daughter. I need a transparent balloon. I would like to put candies. Ba-bam. How can I... Oh, look! My sweets! Like hearts. I have got a lot of hearts. I want one. I would like to try. I want to try this. I'm opening my beautiful sweet. Look, this is like a heart. This is a chocolate. I like the sweets. I want to put the sweets inside of my balloon. One, two, I have got two sweets, two candies. Oh, try to make scene in the balloon. No balloon. But I have got candies. I think it's too small balloon for this. Look, I have got bigger balloons and they are transparent. I need one. My sweets. One heart. Right. Second heart. 6, 7, 8, ba-bam. 9 heart. 10. Look, inside of my balloon a lot of hearts. Look, they are beautiful. I am putting these hearts inside of my balloon. I have got hearts, sweets, and sweets. Up. I need a fishing line. Sorry, my beautiful toy. Up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't know how, but I would like to put inside of my balloon this beautiful toy. Let's start. Be careful, okay? My toy. Oh, yes. My toy like an astronaut. I can do this. Yeah. Look. My toy almost balloon. Where is your eyes? Over there. It was difficult. Don't forget, fish and line, you need it. It's a magic. Look, my toy inside of this balloon. Yeah, it's very funny. Tail, tail. Ah. Look, my finger inside of this balloon. But how can I do this? Ah. Oh, tail, tail. Yeah, I did it. Look. Perfect. And I would like to move a little ears on the top. Yeah. And one more try. I can put more sweets. Again, small balloon. 1, 2, 3. How are you? I'm wonderful. Okay. Very good. It's very funny. I have got inside of my balloon present and sweets. But I would like to make here a flower. I need pink balloons. One pink balloon. Another pink balloon. And another pink balloon. Ah! Don't fall down. here I have got a present. I like it. Do you like my present? It's very beautiful. Look, if you like my present, don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe. You can put this present on the table. Up. Bye bye bye.